Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not squeezing the trigger anymore?
No, I'm showing that it's not just the front.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
An awful lot of trash.
We're getting this brush all dirty, right?